Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Fischer. I'm the third grade teacher at St. Thomas Episcopal Catholic School. And my hope is that when the students walk into my classroom, that I will have put something better in front of them than what the culture offers, and that they will be totally captivated by truth, beauty, and goodness, which are the three transcendentals, and God as the source of them. In terms of my teaching philosophy, I believe every single student is capable of achieving greatness and being the absolute best student that they can possibly be. And so it's my job, and I always tell my students, it's my job to show you what you're doing well, not to dwell on what you're doing poorly. And so I really try to infuse my classroom with positivity. And I also was a teacher in the South Bronx before coming here, and that's the poorest congressional district of America. And so I'm also a firm believer, it doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, what your socioeconomic background is, every single person is capable of achieving greatness. And I've also been trained in Love and Logic, which is a teaching and also a parenting philosophy which really honors the dignity of the child. So that's really at the core of my teaching philosophy. All right, in terms of curriculum, we learn a lot in third grade. And we have a really great lineup of literature, children's literature. They're all classics. So we start with reading A Bear Called Paddington, and the students love this one. And then we read Charlotte's Web, another classic. They love it. And then we read Mr. Popper's Penguins. And last, we read Farmer Boy. Then we also have the Junior Grade Books program, which is really focused on growing in virtue. So we focus on relationships, kindness, and confidence in these great junior grade books. And there's a big emphasis on shared inquiry, where the students will have student-led discussions, which is really beautiful to see in 8, 9-year-olds. In math, we use dimensions. Basically, in third grade in math, we cover all the grounds between addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The goal by the end of third grade is to completely memorize all addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts, to be completely proficient in them. And in science, we use a wonderful curriculum called FOSS Science, and it's totally hands-on. We learn about magnets and how opposites attract, and we learn about water and all of its different states, and water out in nature. So we get to go outside a lot for that. And we also get to experiment with crawfish later in the year. And also there's a unit on engineering and history. It is all about the United States history, and basically cover everything from really the founding of the New World, and the goal is to end about into the 1900s. So World War II is about where we will end. So cover a lot of ground in history in third grade. In religion, we cover a lot. Marry, the sacraments, really make sure that they are formed well in going into the sacrament of confession. There's a lot. I really try to immerse the students into scripture and have them memorize the books of the New Testament and the Old Testament, and have them memorize all kinds of scripture passages. Lots to learn in religion. We also pair it with theology of the body. So we use Rua Woods Press books for theology of the body, and also pair it with an African folktale called Mufato's Beautiful Daughters, which has a lot of integrated theology of the body elements in it, like how we are called to see everyone else as a gift, and to see yourself as a gift, and to make a sincere gift of yourself. We use this Bible a lot, the Catholic Youth Bible. And also virtue, growing in virtue is really like the most important thing in my class. to be imitators of Christ and to grow into virtue. So we use disciples of Christ, education, and virtue a lot in my classroom. So that is pretty much it.
Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, Acts, his letter to the Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Galatians, and Ephesians,